Hey, let me show you 5 the best features of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And first of all, I want to show you the voice controls. So when you go into the earbud settings, go into the voice controls and activate them, we can actually control our media playback. So for example, let's say volume up, volume up, volume down, volume down. As you can see, it's recognized my voice commands. Also, we can say play music, stop music, next song, previous song, but this one works only if you have something in the background, like some kind of the streaming services or at the top. And also we can answer the phone calls or reject call with these two voice controls. Next, we can also enable the read notifications allowed. So right now you will hear every notification on your earbuds, and you can select any application that you want. For example, if you want to receive them from Google application, you can do this by selecting with this switcher. Next, we are gonna navigate into the labs where you can find the game mode, and this is actually known also as low latency mode, and it just simply minimizes the audio delay where we are playing games or watching some videos, so it's really worth to turn it on. Then when we go back from this, we can go into the sound quality and effects when we can find the 360 audio, and this is actually the spatial audio. If you are using the AirPods Pro, you will know what it is and what it does. We can also turn on the head tracking, so it will actually adjust the sound direction when you turn our head, so it always sounds like it's coming from the video that we are watching, even when we turn our head. And the last function that I really like here, maybe there will be like 2 functions. So first, there's actually the ambient sound that give you amazing clarity. When you actually input 1 or 2 earbuds inside your ears, you can hear almost everything around you. It feels like you don't have anything in your ears. But also we can go into the earbud settings where you can find the hearing enhancements. And right now you will even hear the voices much better. And you can even find the boost voices in front of you with this function, and you can set the left and the right balance. And this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.